Devin's here!
Woo, woo.
What's that? Oh, that looks like the Jeep that you brought over the other day. I knew we'd be working on something. Hey, tell me what's going on.
Air conditioner.
Oh man. Which you don't need. It's a Jeep.
Yeah. So we were able to put one can of Freon in, and it got cold.
Fixed. Not fixed.
Lasted the rest of the evening, probably a full day.
Uh-oh.
Next day, it's all gone.
Uh-oh, so
Good leak somewhere.
There's a leak somewhere.
Yeah, man.
All right. Let's see what we got. All right, so no AC, put some in, it works. So what does that tell us? Well, it tells us that the compressor's good, right? It tells us that the compressor's good. I'm going to take my Elite Tech. I got it on Amazon, and I'll put a link down below. This thing works really well. It's a sniffer, and basically we're going to figure out, after we add some Freon into it, we're going to figure out where this thing's leaking. Hopefully it's up front, but more than likely we'll probably have to pull the whole dash, all that garbage out. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. All right, we got the trusty can of refrigerant. I got my gauge set here. Gonna hook it up and see if there's any pressure at all in it. So there's zero pressure in this thing. No pressure at all. So it's leaked completely out. We're going to throw a can in it, and then we're going to start checking with the Elite Tech HLD 100 plus, and it will sniff out wherever there's a leak. All right, time for the moment of truth. I'm going to go ahead and pierce the can. Wow. That dog will sit there and just bark. Just look at me and bark the whole time.
Should put a screen up.
Devin, go get some antifreeze. That's not nice.
A small syringe.
Little syringe.
Very tiny needle.
Yeah, little needle. All right, go ahead and start her up. We're feeding some Freon into it. Fans on high.
I see a leak.
Hey, let's see if it works. I do have a little leak here. Oh yeah, it's going off.
It's freezing up the nozzle.
All right, well that's not what we're looking for. With one can, it actually feels halfway cold. Interesting. We're going to go ahead and get the sniffer out, and I'm going to start looking around to see if we can figure out where this is at. You can also use a dye detector on these, but I found that the sniffer works better if it's up inside the dash, because you can't see dye up in there. So we're going to turn it on and see what we got. Okay. Is it still cold? Semi?
Very cold.
Turn it off. I'm going to turn the sensitivity up. Well, sometimes it's a pain. I'm having to recreate what happened when I went into his dashboard. Basically, I had the sensitivity up. I went up to the vent, and it did that, which told me there was a good leak inside the evaporator. Alright, so there's our answer. The sniffer worked great as far as like pinpointing where the leak was at. When it's up inside the dashboard like that, a dye unit isn't going to help you. You just won't see it. But a sniffer unit, if you just put your fan on low, and if you've got a leak that's leaking out in a day, you're going to find it. And I just put it up on the vent, and it started going off pretty good. So next step is going to be ordering a part and then tearing the dash apart. I'm excited. This will be fun. He's over there. You can't even see him.
I know, it's fun.
He's crying. There's a little tear coming down. Wait a minute. Let's see. There's a
tear. There's some right there.
little tear coming down.
Thanks.
All right. It ain't that bad, man. For the deal he got on this Jeep, if you saw the video before, that's a heck of a deal. And now I'm going to get to tear now I'm going to get to tear a Jeep dash apart. How exciting is that? But other than that, there's not very much wrong with this Jeep. And since his daughter's driving it, we got to fix the air conditioner.
That's right.
Yeah. We'll just double check one more time.
Well, we were hoping for something easier. Oh. Heard a work.
That's what it is for sure. Alright, till we get the parts, that's about all we can do. I'm thankful for this sniffer, man. For I think it was like 35 bucks. These things are awesome. They make a cheaper one, but this one seems to work a little bit better. It is bigger for sure. And it worked really well today. So, it's David and Devin getting ready to order some parts from the Redneck Garage.
Keep turning wrenches.
Yeah, he's got to be a little more excited about that. But yeah!